Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
Yeah.
this is the base package. com.springboot.springboot tx is the base package. So Spring Boot always looks for the classes inside this base package only. Note on this point. Spring Boot always looks for the classes which are there inside this base packages only. So if you want to package on top of this, you have to create. Understood? If you want to create any
Yes, sir.
on top of it, you have to create the package. Okay, right click on this existing package. Right click on existing package. Package. Right click on the package.
Okay, sir.
Right click on the package. Here is the package. com.springboot.springboot ex
Yes.
is a package, right? Right click on the package.
I'm getting this, sir.
No, right existing package. Select the existing package and right click. Here, what is the package? com.springboot.springboot ex. Right click on that existing package. Now here, under SRC main Java.
Near SRC.
Left
Project
side, left
Explorer.
side.
Here, sir.
Yeah, yeah, there only.
Ah,
I told you right click on the existing package. So this is an existing package. So Spring Boot always looks for the classes inside this base packages only. So if you want to create the package, on top of this, you have to create the. Is it clear? Now go to new. Creating control service model and repository package.
okay, sir.
Dot controller. I told you that Spring Boot EX is the base package. If you want to create on top of this only, you have to create the package.
Okay, sir. Now let
Now
me
dot
put
controller. Dot controller, because every request will come to control classes.
Okay, sir.
Finish. The same way you can create service package. Again, right click on existing package. I told you right click.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to create the packages on top of existing packages only.
Now name, sir. Model name, sir.
Model. All the Pojo classes should go inside the model. And then
Okay, sir.
service. Same an existing package. Where is the existing package? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is very, very important, guys. So Spring Boot always looks for the classes inside the base package only. Control, model, service, repository. Repository.
Now what should I do, sir?
One more package, repository. You have to create one more package, repository.
New package. Okay. Yes, sir.
TOR. Okay. Now refresh. Right click on SS main Java, refresh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the base package? com.springboot.springboot ex is the base package. Okay, this is the base package. Spring Boot always looks for the classes which are there inside the base packages only. Means control have the package on top of
So your voice
base package,
breaking,
right?
sir.
Model is a package. Guys, once I guess network power issue, so I have connected to mobile. Second.
Excuse me, baby. Hello. Baby Palle.
Yeah.
What's the name of the package that you have given good this REST
What you are going to ask me about
what is the name that is below
Its
package model?
repository. It's
So here you are
repository.
saying repository I have created as repos.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, So Spring Boot always looks for the classes on the base packages only. So if you want to create any package, so you should create the package on top of the base package. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear what is the base
Yes,
package?
sir.
Com dot
Spring Boot EX.
dot Spring Boot EX is a base package. So if you want to create any other packages on top of this, you have to create the package. Right click on your existing package and you can extend the package. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? So Spring Boot always looks for the classes inside the base package. This is the first point. And second one is every request will come to controller. From the controller, it will go to service. From the service, it will go to repository. From the repository, it will go to
Model.
Model.
database. Model is separately. Model is nothing but just POJO classes. Nothing but getters and setters. Entity classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But the request is controller. From the controller, it will go to service. From the
Release
service, it will go to
repository.
repository.
Data.
From the repository, it will go to database.
Database.
Everything you can write it in controller also, no issues. But those are not standards. So as per real-time standards, so every project will have these layers: controller, service, model, repository.
Yes.
So now you can create one class inside the controller. We'll test one method first. We'll see one
Okay,
flow.
sir. Class name, sir.
Anything like you can create a employee controller. Let's say.
Okay.
Yeah, class name should caps, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Three caps.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Main method
Yeah,
is
yeah.
necessary, sir.
No, it's not necessary. Main method. Why main method? This is not a
Okay, sir.
standalone project, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a web project. Web project shouldn't have any main methods.
Okay, sir.
So this is a class, Java class, simple Java class. To make this class as a controller, so you have to use @REST controller annotation at line number 2.
What I should add, sir?
@REST controller annotation. REST, type REST and do control space. If you don't add this annotation, this class will be a simple Java class. To make this class as a controller, so what is the annotation you have to use?
At rest controller.
@REST controller. Yeah. Double click. Now your class will act as a
Controller.
controller. Okay. Now I have one more doubt. So if you are having multiple controller inside the package, how request will come to this class, particular class? You have to map it, right? There should be some mapping,
sir.
right? So otherwise, how, for example, here we're having only one control class. So if you are having multiple controllers, how request will come to particular this class? From the front end, how request will come to particular this class? So we have to maintain one mapping. So we should keep one mapping. So to map the request to this particular control class, we have to use a direct request mapping. At line number 5, enter. At line number 5, after REST
Yes,
controller,
sir.
enter. Enter. Enter.
I have entered.
Type, yeah, type @request mapping.
What, sir?
REQUEST, request,
Okay.
control space, it will give you request mapping. Caps
Yes,
solve.
sir.
So, okay, inside the,
Yes.
after that brackets, after line number 7,
Yes,
after
sir.
mapping brackets, line number 7,
Yes, I'm number 7.
Same line, same line.
same line, at the brackets,
This one,
brackets,
curly braces, sir.
Don't give space. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the code. And go to chat box. Copy this one. Yeah, copy this one.
Yes, sir. Let me paste it.
Just for mapping, remove that one, existing one.
This one, sir.
Remove enter line. Remove. You can remove enter line. You can paste my line.
The bracket
Okay.
part.
You can paste it. My line.
Yes, sir.
Why brackets? I asked you to
Bracket.
paste. Remove brackets.
Okay,
Cloud
sir.
brackets,
I have
remove.
removed the brackets.
Yeah. So with the help of request, why error? Yeah, with the help of request mapping, so you can map your request to this particular classes. Are you getting what is the purpose of this?
Yes, sir.
So if you are having hundreds of classes, all the requests will come to particular control class. There must be some
Yes,
mapping,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now create one method which should return string. How to create the methods? Spring Boot also again class object methods. Only annotations has been added.
Okay, sir.
Create
Inside
one
that
method.
employee control.
Yeah, you can create one method which should return string. Code Java.
Okay.
One public method.
Okay, sir.
Like fetch employee. Type employee name as fetch employee. Fetch employee. Method name.
Okay,
Fetch.
sir. Fetch employee.
Yeah. It should be caps, right? Second word. Here fetch is one word, employee is one word. It should be caps.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget the stars. And then return the string. Yeah,
So,
the
but
string
we
is
have
in double.
created. Yes, sir.
See,
What
Written
is
double quotes, empty double quotes.
string means it can be anything, right?
Yes, sir. I thought I have created variable and I have done.
And create one more thing, one more method, and same return string. Yeah, write something in the double quotes. At line number 12, please write something in the double quotes.
I have written, sir.
Okay, okay. Create one more method, same, which will return string.
So after this,
Okay. I have one doubt. So in this class, your request came to this class by using /API. Okay, /API. Okay, to avoid the confusion at line number 7, you can remove V1. Okay, after API, you can remove the code at line number 7.
yes, sir. Slash also shall I remove, sir?
Slash also you can remove. Keep only API.
Okay, sir.
Slash also remove. Yeah, keep this. So now from the front end or from the postman, if I give /API, your request will come to
This
this class.
This specific class.
Okay. And here, how many methods we have? Save
two
it.
methods.
So now tell me, if I want to execute fetch employee and fetch employee to, again there must be some mapping, right? Otherwise, how your request will go to particular method? Understood? So in
Yes,
your
sir.
class, you
Yes,
can
sir.
have multiple methods. It can be 150 of methods or any number of methods. But how the request will execute particular method? In real time, you have to write the logics inside the method only, right? You have to write the logic inside the method only. So how particular method will be executed? There must be some mapping. To fetch the data, what is it? And we have to use get. To save the data, we have to use
Post.
post. To
Post.
update the data, we have to use put. To delete the data, we have to use
Delete.
delete. Okay. Now what you can do at line number 9, you can enter after line number 9.
Yes, sir.
Enter.
I have entered, sir.
I think it's lagging. So type at get mapping at the rate get mapping.
Get mapping, sir.
Yes, at the rate get mapping. At the rate. Annotation should start with at the rate.
At the rate, sir.
At the rate get mapping.
Sir, can you
Remove
spell
rate.
because
Remove it. Get mapping.
okay.
GET.
Remove at
Get mapping.
Yes, sir. Yes,
GET.
sir. Yes, sir. Get mapping.
Capital
Space.
G and
Capital G, capital M.
Get mapping.
Just like
G caps.
request mapping, you have to write get mapping.
Shall I import it, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, keep this one. Now give some path like request mapping, how you have given the same way you can give here to identify this method uniquely.
Okay, sir.
Some meaningful names so that okay. The same way second method. Just we are mapping the request. So from the front end, if I give /API/API1, so this method will be executed. From the front end, if I give /API/mapping, then second method will be execute. Understood, right? Just for
Yes, sir.
mapping purpose. Save it and run the application and hit from the postman. It's a very simple Spring Boot, very simple. Everything will give you. Not here. I told you which
The
application.
postman.
No, first you need to start the application, right?
Yes, sir.
Without starting, how the request will come to this application?
After going to this method or
Where to start the application?
main?
Main method. Yeah. Go to the class and run the application. So that class will be responsible to execute your Spring Boot project. Go to Spring Boot application.java. Yeah,
Yes,
run
sir.
the
It is
application first.
running. I think there is a screen delay.
Yeah, screen delay.
Yes, sir. It is running now.
Okay, started, right? Application started.
Yes, sir.
Now go to post. Your application is running at port number 80.
2.
Okay, now go to
80.
postman. Now go to postman.
Yes, sir.
I think it's lagging. Screen is lagging. Here, there we have written get methods, right? Hello.
Hello, sir.
yes sir, yes sir.
You have written get methods, right? In the
Yes,
control
sir.
class. So here you need to select get first. After that, in the URL, I will tell you HTTP
HTTP
colon,
Double slash.
colon,
Yes, sir. After that,
localhost,
local H caps no sir in like localhost.
L small, right?
Okay.
Yes.
L small. H
I
also
have
small.
changed it, sir.
Okay.
Localhost.
Localhost, colon, H also small.
I have changed it, sir.
Okay. For me, it's still showing caps letter. What about others? Yeah, now you can see. 8082.
8082.
Okay, this is a base path. Okay, your localhost 8082. Now, to reach to your class after slash,
API.
to reach your class, so what is the path you have to give?
Slash
The
API.
name we defined this
Slash API.
API.
If you want to execute API, is it correct?
Yes, sir. I
Spelling?
have given
So caps we have
API.
given. Small API.
Small only, sir. I have given API.
Small only. Okay. Now here to execute fetch employee one, what is the path you have to give?
Fetch employee 1. API 1, sir.
Yeah, give that and run it.
Now shall I send this request, sir?
1 second. Still I can see API. 1 second. 1 second.
I
First,
have done
to reach
nothing,
the
sir.
application, we have to give API, and after that, to reach the class, we have to
Slash
give the
API 1.
API one. First, give API.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Now
in
API
request
1.
mapping, it was slash API. So, should we have to give 2 slashes?
Yeah, only no one slash API one.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah, now run it. Now send the request. Send the
Fetched 1.
request.
Yes, sir. Now I'm getting as fetched 1.
Fetched one, right? So means
Yes,
that
sir.
method got executed. So now, if you want to execute second method, so what is the path you have to give?
Mapping.
Sir, we didn't
Can
get
you go?
some of.
Sir, some of them are using port as 8080. For them, it will be like URL will be that.
Yeah, URL will be 8080. If you are using 8080, only port number will be changed. After that, so to reach the class in request mapping, what is the path you have given? And to reach the methods, what is the path you have given? So those paths you have to mention over here.
Sir, now shall I run for second method?
Yeah, done it.
Yes, sir. I'm getting as fetched 2.
Okay, if you are using 8080 port number, you can use 8080 itself. Okay, this is the first basic question. And the second one is go to service in Eclipse. And I'm telling you one more assignment, guys. So you need to create one service class and create one method, call that method from the control class. Do it, Vijayalakshmi. First, stop the application.
Lakshmi, can you show the, yeah,
Yes,
can
sir.
you please meet in this page? 1 minute.
Hello, I couldn't hear you. Can you say it
Yeah,
again?
yeah, can you please stay in this page? I'll just take it.
Okay, okay.
Let's show, right? What is to make this class as a controller? What is the annotation you have to use? At the rate REST controller. To map URL to this class, you have to use request mapping.
Request mapping.
Okay. And if you want to fetch the data, you have to use get mapping. To post the data, you have to use post mapping. To update the data, we have to use put to delete the data, we have to use
Delete.
delete mapping. So I will explain you all those things. Now what you can do, you need to create one more class in the service, make it as employee service, and create one method. You need to call that method inside fetch employee one.
Okay, sir. Now
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry, this is showing error in Postman. 404 not found.
Yeah, I think you have not written proper code. Can you please share your screen?
Oh,
I
sir,
will
there
stop
is some
that.
issue. I can't share.
Issue is with your URL path. 404 means you have not given correct packages.
Uh,
404 means your request is not going to the classes. Please share your
okay.
screen. Please follow the steps as it is, guys. Don't do any experiments, okay?
So is it visible?
Yeah, visible. Please open your
Okay.
Eclipse first.
Yes, sir.
Expand.
Here in the yeah.
One second, one second. Expand. What is the base package?
Uh,
com.springboot example.springboot fund. Is it a base package?
yes, sir.
Springboot fund. Can you please go to com.xml? Please stop the
Oh,
application.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
See, one go up, go up, please. Don't do anything.
Yes, sir.
What is the base package? com.springboot example one is the base package, but you have changed to springboot one. Here also you have done the changes.
Which line? Here?
No. Here packages. In the packages, so com.springboot example one is the base package. Then
Yes, sir.
you had springboot one also. Why you had it?
Spring-
I asked you to create the package on top of the base package, but we were not supposed to change the base package. Here,
Okay,
can you see
sir.
base package on the springboot
Yeah,
one?
this
is the
one.
base. Yeah.
Okay,
Don't do
sir.
it.
Here I have to give these all packages.
Remove 1 second. So what is the package we have while creating the project? Same project you have to keep as a base. And if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to create any extra packages on top of that, you have to create. But you should not change the base package.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
But you have changed the base package. Can you go to your browser where you have created the project? From where you have created the project? Browser.
Browser, okay, sir.
From where you have created the project? Open
Here.
that. See here. com.springboot example.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Spring Boot example 1.
Okay. Okay, now you can change the Spring Boot example to change the project name.
Project, okay, sir.
The artifact address, so you can change it.
Yes, I
You
have
generate-
changed. Okay, sir.
Generate and you can import this project and see. Extract it and import it. Generate it, right? You downloads.
I have to extract this, sir.
Yeah, please extract it. Simply you can extract files. It's a simple step, right?
Yes, sir.
You can
Now
import
I
the
have to
project.
import, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Import the project.
I'm closing, yeah, that one.
Existing my own project.
Yes, sir.
Click on next. Browse.
Select folder, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Here it is. Spring Boot 2.
So same project, right? You have created.
Yes,
Now
sir.
run the
Spring Boot.
application.
Okay,
Now run
sir.
run the application.
Yeah, sir. I'm closing these files. This might create confusion.
SRC mean okay, you are changing the port number is not required.
Yes, sir. Should I give the port number?
No, it's not required. If you are not running anyway, it's not required.
Okay, sir.
What